How to install Realtek audio driver on Windows 10 or 11. Let's get started. First, let's check which audio driver you are currently using. Right-click on the Start icon and select Device Manager. Now expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. You'll see either High Definition Audio Device or Realtek Audio. Right-click on it, click Properties, and then go to Driver tab. Now you'll need to update the driver. Next up, what you want to do is close this and launch your preferred browser. Now navigate to the official website www.realtek.com. At the left hand side, you're going to find the option Downloads. Click on that. Under Downloads, click on Computer Peripheral IC. Now in the product line, select PC Audio Codecs. In the subcategory, choose High Definition Audio Codec Software. Click on the 64-bit Windows version. It works for Windows 7 through 11. Agree to the terms, enter your email and complete the CAPTCHA. Then hit download this file. Once the download is complete, just open the installer, follow the on-screen instructions and click next until it's done. After installation, restart your computer, then open Device Manager again. Go to your audio driver's properties and check the driver date. It should now show the updated version, and that's it. You have successfully installed or updated your Realtek audio driver on Windows PC. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.